Good morning. I'm Sumaya Ansari, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. News of 7th July 2020 are as follows. Demand for plasma very high in Delhi, not enough supply to match, CM Arvind Kejriwal. Demand for plasma very high in Delhi, not enough supply to match, CM Arvind Kejriwal said. There is a high demand for plasma in Delhi after the plasma bank initiative taken by the government, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said in a press conference. While giving a briefing on the COVID-19 situation in Delhi, he said that now that people know how to get plasma when in need, the demand is very high, but the supply is not enough to match it. We started India's first plasma bank last week. Now that people know how to get plasma, where to get plasma, the demand has risen. But we do not have enough supply of plasma at the moment. There are several people who are willingly volunteering to donate plasma, but the supply is still less, Kejriwal said. The Delhi CM also played two telephonic conversations where he spoke to two residents of Delhi who had recovered from coronavirus and were now all set to donate plasma. Kuwait's new expat bill. This many Indians will be forced to return home. A new draft expat quota bill approved by the Legal and Legislative Committee of Kuwait's National Assembly could put foreign citizens in danger of leaving the Gulf nation if become law. The bill proposes to reduce the number of Indians to 15% of their total population, reported Kuwait Times. Currently, Kuwait has the highest number of expats from India at 1.45 million. This draft expat quota bill, if enacted into law, could force as many as 8 lakh Indians to leave Kuwait. After India, Egypt accounts for the second highest number of expats in Kuwait. The bill has also proposed to reduce their number to 10%. Coronavirus. Kerala Public Service Commission postpones interviews scheduled between July 7 and 10. The Kerala Public Service Commission on Monday announced that it has postponed all the interviews and service verification processes which were scheduled to take place at its office in Ernakulam district between July 7 and 10. The postponement, the KPSC said, was due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic in the state, as indeed in the rest of the country. Kerala Public Service Commission postpones all the interviews and service verification scheduled to be held between July 7 and July 10 at its office in Ernakulam district in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. Earlier, the KPSC had postponed due to the pandemic 26 examinations for 62 posts in government departments which were scheduled to take place in March, April and May. That's all for today. Keep watching Lavafara Media for all the news update. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.